Welcome back, everyone. Today we are diving into a super important part of Sage X3 that keeps everything organized and easy to find. I'm talking about sequence numbers. You can think of them like unique ID numbers for every important piece of paper or record in your business, but in a digital form. Learning about these can really make your work smoother and your data more accurate. So why does sequence numbers matter? Sequence numbers are more than just labels. They're the backbone of how Sage X3 keeps track of everything from sales to finances. To understand better, let's discuss some of the characteristics of sequence numbers. Unique identification. Sequence numbers provide a unique digital fingerprint for every document and record, ensuring no confusion. Effortless tracking. Imagine a sales order is assigned to a unique sequence number that links through delivery, invoicing, and even potential returns. This consistent link allows for seamless tracking and reconciliation across different modules. Organized data. These numbers help keep your digital files organized, like putting your papers in order. This means less searching and more efficiency. Simplified auditing. If you ever need to prove something, like tracking a batch of products or a money transaction, the sequence numbers provide a clear and deniable trail. This is super important for meeting legal and financial rules. Now we will take a look within Sage X3 on how to define and assign a sequence number. For that, we will have to pick a function first. Let's go into navigation, and in the purchasing section, let's go into purchasing orders. And this is just to show the existing purchase order and its sequence number. As you can see, the sequence number is starting with PO, and then there's a site number. We will try to change this. For that, we will have to go in navigation, and in the setup section, as you can see, in general parameters, there is sequence number definition. We will click on structures. We will make a new sequence number for purchasing order function. We will click on new and enter any sequence ID and describe the function. In this case, it's purchase order. We can either define it on folder or company or site. For now, I will take folder. RTZ is the reset to 0 level. If you want the sequence to reset annually, monthly, you can select the appropriate option. For now, we will take no RTZ. Type can either be alphanumeric or numeric. We'll take alphanumeric. It's based on our component, and in components, basically, it's the prefix for your sequence. We'll take a length of 6 and try to enter a formula for it. I can also select the sequence number, and sequence type can either be normal, database sequence, or group sequence. In this case, we'll take normal and save it. Our record has been updated. After creating and defining a sequence number, now we can assign it. For that, we will have to go into navigation in the setup. In general parameters, there is a function called assignment. We will click on that. And as we have to assign for purchase order, we can find the function, and here we can enter the sequence ID that we've created, and we will just save it. After this step, we can create a new purchasing order, and it will have the prefix of the new sequence that we've created. We will create a new purchasing order. We can go into navigation in the purchasing section. We can click on purchasing request and create a new order. Here we have to pick a site. The request date is fine, and we have to pick a product. Let's pick this product. Update, we can take it for next week. I'm just going to fill out some random values, okay? I do want to have cash with finance, and tax levels 5% is fine, okay? And we will create it now. After creating the request, we can convert it into an order. As you can see, we have the order numbers, and it starts with the same prefix that we've set, so it means that our changes were implemented. We will also verify it on the purchasing order section. We can close this, and we will go into purchasing orders. And here, as you can see, our last purchasing order that we've created. And here the sequence number is different from the others, which this means that whatever changes we've made were successful. And that's how you can update sequence numbers in your system. Let's see some quick examples of how you can make your sequence numbers super smart. You can set them up automatically to include the year. So a sales order from 2025 can be called SO25. Which will make it easier for you to understand and remember. You can use different starting letters for different document types, for example, INV for invoices, and PO for purchase orders, so you instantly know what kind of document it is. And if you have multiple companies or locations, you can even include quotes for them in the number, making it easy to see where a record came from. Now let's talk about some of the benefits of sequence numbers in Sage X3. Having a well-designed sequence numbering system in Sage X3 brings you bigger benefits. You have better data analysis. It's like having a super organized library. You can quickly find all sales orders from a specific year, or track a project's documents easily. You have smoother integrations. If you connect Sage X3 with other software, those numbers act like perfect keys, making sure all your data matches up correctly across systems. You have clearer communication. When you refer to a document by its unique number, everyone knows exactly what you're talking about, reducing confusion with colleagues, customers, and even suppliers. And of course, you will have stronger security and control. A good numbering system helps you keep track of every document, making it harder for things to go missing or to be duplicated, and providing a clear audit file for security. These benefits all add up to a more efficient and accurate way of running your business. Understanding and using Sage X3 sequence numbers effectively isn't just a technical skill, it's a smart business move as well. By learning how to set them up and appreciating their impact on data management, you can really boost your skills in Sage X3 and help your business be more organized and efficient. For a much deeper dive into the world of Sage X3 sequence numbers, make sure to check out our detailed blog post linked in the description below. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe for more Sage X3 insights. Thank you.